Today's giveaways.
157 gigabytes plus complete programming tutorials.
For free.
Subscribe for more Tech Talk free giveaways. Steps how to download the file.
For Android users, download and install Mega app from Google Play Store. Create account on Mega. Log in on your Mega account. Click the link I give, open it on Mega app. Import the file, download it.
For browsers, copy-paste the given link into the search column of the browser. Create a Mega account. Import the files or save to device.
Download link.
https://bit.ly/3t4fmza. Stay tuned for next video. Spotify account generator.